Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. Today I am very excited to share this recipe with you. We are going to be making a homemade cream cheese. Let's get started. Two lemons. Let's add half a gallon of whole milk. We are going to bring it almost to a boil over a medium heat, and we keep stirring. Our milk is ready. I'm going to add our lemon juice and begin to stir. Just curdling. Look at that. I'm going to cover it up to sit for 15 minutes. Okay? Our stove is off. I'm going to strain it. It's cold. It's no more too hot. It's warm, not cold. Okay, we squeeze it as much as we can. All right. So we have our cheese. Okay. I'm gonna blend it. We are going to add a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add butter. Little quantity of milk. So we're going to blend it to make our cream cheese simple and delicious. Look at that. Can you see that? We made ourselves a delicious cream cheese. This is beautiful. Can you see how creamy, simple, in the comfort of your zone? You don't have to buy your cream cheese. Okay, we are coming to the end of this video. Share it. Let me know if you are going to be trying it. All right. Look at that. Our cream cheese, homemade cream cheese. Our bread, and I spread it on it. Look at that. This is your homemade delicious cream cheese. Look at that. We've come to the end of this video. Please share it, comment, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye, and God bless you.